the mom vibes.
Hey, Cash, this go crazy.
Rose up out of concrete, can't tear me down. Nigga couldn't tell me shit when they had, nigga can't tell me now. And I stood 10 toes, no real man, gotta stand his ground. Rest in peace to my brother, no nigga held me down. Held me down through the rain, held me down through the pain, held me down through the tribulations, and we all had to stay the same. I remember them nights praying to the Lord, things don't change. Dave died, then Lil' Shorty died, saying that I lost my brain. What the fuck? Best you around, don't tell me you bustin'. Everyone left, don't tell if you bluffing. I don't got time for the rap when running. Ho get a drop, one car, we coming. 4, 5, 18 mil, we stunning. He don't got time for a bitch, he nothing. He ain't never had no chips, he thumbing. Run through the rats all night, we running. Run through the rack, on slide, he gon' clap that for they whole side in a rap pack. Nigga, fuck that, that's a gas pack. Bah, bah. Whole side nigga can't tell me shit. Yo, bitch, don't play, you can suck my dick. Hear that shit, that's a motherfucking car blick, don't down, I'm a rock star. All my life, they steady calling. 123 like I'm Jordan. Fuck them, they ain't supported. Fuck don't enter the story, yeah. My band's blue like Corbin. My girl black and gorgeous. I can't even drive right now, but I like my whip foreign. Ride like a
Oh, you want it? Right, that's so.
my makeup on shoe, she might chill I want to. I fell in love with a coach, I might just drip on Gucci. And I know that girl from the hood, but baby acting so bullshit. Best see around, she go, she give her that deal, my Zoe lady want me. Bust down AP while she full, if you don't got time, don't know what you doing. I love when she ride like ooh, hit her ass all on the floor like school. It face to the ground, make her eyes that booty. Rev up the mo like room, she JT, she love my Uzi. Bitch, this a Drake, ain't Newsy. Big gas pack roll up like Tootsie. Baby tryna choke, shit newbie. Bitch stay down like what the fuck. Heard what I say, I ain't stutter one. Her little nigga want smoke, I ain't gon' put his ass in the ground, concrete rolls. Who love, true love? They say money is the rule of all evil, but I still need you. Who love? True love, they say money is the rule of all evil, but I still need you. I still need you. Family need a grin. I know niggas who will get that cheese by any means. Kill their enemies and double cross anything that's in between. Just for them Benjamins, they turning into fiends. They say money is the root of all evil, but honestly, I think that poverty is. Cause we don't never have these problems till we poverty kids. Or until you make it out and you just dying to live. I say I-oh, chasing after guapo. Me, Nelly and Capo, sliding in that Tahoe. Road running, sometimes you gon' run right through some potholes. More come, but even if I fall, I'm still gon' walk on. Ain't no running back. Got my city on my back, tryna put them on the map. Like look at where we at. And even if they never show me love where I'm from, they know that it's still love for my thoughts when I come.
Alright, give me a couple of poses from here.
His ancestral home, including peak at some touching family mementos. Hair cut off. That was the tradition. This is a tradition.
You know I'm videoing.
Cause even if they won't show me love, when I get it up, I flood the city with them thugs. Who love, true love? They say money is the rule of all evil, but I still need you. Who love, true love? They say money is the rule of all evil, but I still need you. True love, who love? They say money is the rule of all evil, but I still need you. Oh.
Straight up doing digits.
Sliding. Police right behind me, tryna die tonight. C4 if you try and blow like dynamite. He done lost his conscience, don't know wrong or right. Just know mama can't cry tonight. Sliding behind my brother, that's right or wrong if you try. I might not finish this song, bitch, you dying. Lord, forgive me when I'm gone for my crimes, but I ain't gon' lie, cause I know wrong from right. Sliding behind myself if I need to. I could feel it all in the air like Benny Siegel. Won't say I gangbang like my brother, don't need no Rico, but I kill you about the whole gang, so that make me cold. Heat on, don't turn the heat on if you can't stand the fire. Brother told me don't gon' shoot nobody just cause you scared to fight, but if you wanna play with a pipe, go ahead, make that buddy fight for his life. On God every time, we gon' get right. Sliding, ooh, I'm sliding. I don't really got time for the play, don't promote violence, but if a nigga catch me outside and try, gon' fire him up. Sorry to your mother, your son just had to die for what? Tryna act tough. I gotta make it home to my mama too. I got problems too, showing up. My brother don't trip and feel a nigga don't show no love. Told my brother stop taking pictures, nigga stop showing your gun, cause we'll kill for real. Younger brothers doing drills for real. I remember ninth grade math class in the back with the seal for real, and I ain't never kissed a bitch on the lip.
Oh.
Tomorrow, when CJ goes all natural remedies, it's intervention time. My boy Marcus went down to Mexico and got some shots. You have to go to the doctor, because you can't handle a shot of tequila. All new tomorrow at 9 on BET.
This is what 26 celebrating as Kai has food on the ground, Chick-fil-A, and his tablets going over there. She got her outfits laid out. That's me in the mirror right there. Keep it short. Baby in the picture. In the middle of her shoot. No. Come, let's change diaper. Now take your shirt off.
Shirt off.
Yeah, shirt off. Take your shirt off.
Crab. 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 Crab.
You ready, Kai? Mommy.
A whip.
Yeah,
Cheers whip.
sure is what.
Rackets. Rackets.
Look, mommy, look. Oh, let's see this song, cinnamon. Yeah, baby. Good morning. Beep, beep. This is the morning after effects.
Press what button? Don't press no button. Do me a favor, leave the buttons.
Hi, mommy. Hi, Shuk. Boy. Wait. Where you binky, girlie? Morning, babe. I look at Pum Pum show. Hi, Kai. Kai, look, you gotta say hi. Say hi. Oh boy.
Picture of your sister.